Hi everyone! Are you ready for an UNTAME adventure out into space? If you are, then buckle up! Because we are embarking off on a journey into the infinite galaxy with our space explorers, as they search for the next suitable planet for humans to live on. Look out of your windows! You don't want to miss this! Because our rocket is now traveling through the 5 planets. Look at how the 5 planets orbit around the Sun. Gravity of the Sun pulls on the planets. Just like how the Earth's gravity pulls down on anything that is not held up by some other forces. It is what keeps us on the ground at all times. The space explorers have spotted Pluto. But wait! Did you just see what I saw? A Pluto with an icy heart. Five years ago, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft discovered something really interesting during its historic sweep past the planet. They discovered the dwarf planet's famous heart-shaped feature, which is made up of nitrogen. The heart-shaped feature on Pluto is cool, but in fact it's too cold to support life. Let's search for another planet. We have arrived at Saturn. Saturn and its famous rings are the jewel of the solar system. It is the 6th planet from the Sun, and the 2nd largest in our solar system. However, our space explorers seem to be having some trouble standing properly. I think this planet might be too unstable for them. Well, on to the next planet. Hold on tight! The rocket is entering a space warp. Where will we be heading next? Only time will tell. We have reached the planet Mars. Although half the size of Earth, Mars is an unending expanse of cold red desert, earning its nickname the Red Planet. This is because soil on Mars contains iron rust pigments, which give the planet its unique reddish-brown color. Despite this, our space explorers seem to love this planet. Watch them dance around! Around 225 million kilometers away from Earth, planet Mars still has decent sunlight. And although it is cold, we can always warm it up. The gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's gravity. So you would be able to lift heavy things and even bounce around. Furthermore, the duration of a day on Mars is remarkably close to a day on Earth. It seems like Mars is the closest potential habitable planet to Earth. Look! Our space explorers are planting their flag. They say time flies when you're having fun. And that is also the case in space. So although everyone is having a blast, it's time to head home. Do you know which planet is home? That's right! It's our one and only planet Earth. Earth is the only planet in the universe known to possess life. It has liquid water, plate tectonics, and an atmosphere that shelters it from the worst of the sun's rays. The fact that Earth hosts not just life, but intelligent life like you and I, makes it doubly unique. I'm sure you've had enough exploration for today. See you in our next journey beyond boundaries.